Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to start the second part from the exercise 12.2. So here problem number 11. In the previous video I have solved problem number up to problem number 10. So the link is in the description box, you can go and check it. So here 11, find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 that equal to 0 and having same y-intercept as 2x minus y plus 5 and that equal to 0. So that is the given line. So now here minus 4y equal to minus 12 minus 3x, that means here y equal to 3 by 4x plus 3. Okay, so the slope of this line, that means if we consider it m1, then here the slope is 3 by 4. Now let the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line that equal to m2. Okay, so if these two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 that equal to minus 1. Okay, now if m1 equal to 3 by 4 into m2 equal to minus 1, then from that m2 equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, that means m2 is the slope of the second line. Now y-intercept in the equation, so 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0, as y-intercept that means x equal to 0, so 2 into 0 y plus 5. So from that equation y equal to 5. Okay, so the equation of the line passing through 0 comma 5 will be, okay, so the equation of the line which is passing through the point 0 comma 5. Now we have to find out the equation. So here the formula of the equation, that is y minus y1 then m into x minus x1. Here the slope value of m, that is m2, that is 4 by 3. So just put down here y minus 5 then minus 4 by 3 then x minus 0. So that means 3y minus 15 that equal to minus 4x. So final answer 4x plus 3y minus 15 that equal to 0. Number 12, find the equation of the line passing through 0 comma 4 and parallel to the line 3x plus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so in the given line 3x plus 5y minus 15, from that you can easily find out the slope. So here slope m1 equal to minus 3 by 5. I hope you can find it. So now slope of the line parallel to the given line. Okay, slope of the line parallel to the given line that equal to minus 3 by 5 and which is passes through the point 04. Okay, which is passes through the point 04. So from that you can easily find out the equation of the second line. So here formula will be same formula, y minus y1 then m into x minus x1. So here the slope is m1 that equal to minus 3 by 5 also. Okay, and x minus, so x minus 0 and here y minus 4. Okay, now as this one m1 is the slope of this line, as these two lines are parallel, so that means you know m1 equal to m2. That's why here the slope of the second line that equal to also minus 3 by 5. Okay, so here 5y minus 20 and that equal to minus 3x. So from that 3x plus 5y minus 20 that equal to 0. That is the solution. Now next problem, sum number 13, write down the equation of the line perpendicular to 3x plus 8y equal to 12 and passing through the point minus 1 minus 2. There is same type of problem as the previous one. In there is the parallel lines and here these are perpendicular lines. So from that first find out here the slope. Here the slope is minus 3 by 8. And you know if these two straight lines are perpendicular, then the second slope, that means m1 into m2 that equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, and if m1 equal to minus 3 by 8, then from that equation you can find out easily the value of m2. So here value of m2 equal to 8 by 3. So the slope of the second equation is equal to 8 by 3 and it passes through minus 1 minus 2. So by y minus y1 then m into x minus x1. So you can easily find out the value of the equation. Okay, that means the equation. So here the equation of the straight line will be here y plus 2, then 8 by 3 and into x plus 1. So the final answer will be 8x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Now sum number 14(1). In sum number 14(1) there are two problems. First one, the line 4x minus 3y plus 12 and that equal to 0 meets the x axis at A. Write down the coordinates of A. Okay, so in this line, first here find y equal to 4 by 3x that equal plus 4. So from that, here the slope m1 equal to 4 by 3. Now let the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line that equal to m2, and if these two lines are perpendicular, okay, these two lines are perpendicular, that means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So just from that equation you will get m2 equal to minus 3 by 4. Just put down the value of m1 and then you will get m2 equal to minus 3 by 4. Now let the point on the x axis, that means A. So here the point is x comma 0. Okay, so now this is x comma 0 is the point. Now a value, so just put down this value in the equation of this one, in the equation of 1. Okay, so if you put here x and y equal to 0, then from that you will get the value of x. So 4x minus 3 into 0 plus 12 and that equal to 0. So from that equation 4x equal to minus 12 and then x equal to minus 3. So the coordinates of the A, will be minus 3 comma 0. Okay, so that is the first answer. Part 2, determine the equation of the line passing through A and perpendicular to 4x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. So equation of the line perpendicular to the given line passing through point A. So as the coordinate of the point A is in the previous problem, that is minus 3 comma 0. Okay, so here y minus y1, then m into x minus x1. So here y, then minus y, that means y minus 0 and m. In the previous sum, that means 14.1, where the value of m2 equal to minus 3 by 4. So just put down this value and then here x plus 3. So from here you can find out 3x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now sum number 15. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0 and passes through the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 7 and minus 4, 1. Okay, so here the given line 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. So from that y equal to 2 by 5x, it's minus, then plus 7 by 5. So that means here the slope m1 equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay, now as these two straight lines are parallel to each other, that means the value of m2 equal to also minus 2 by 5. Okay, so the first next thing is you have to find out the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. So the first find out the coordinates of the midpoint of these 2 points. Okay, so here the midpoint, the coordinate of the midpoint, that equal to 2 minus 4 by 2 comma then 7 plus 1 by 2. So that means it's minus 1, 4. So minus 1, 4 is the midpoint. Now you have to find out the equation. So that's formula y minus y1, then m into x minus x1. So here y, then y1 equal to 4, so y minus 4, m equal to minus 2 by 5 and then x minus 1, so x plus 1 it will be. So in the final answer will be 2x plus 5y minus 18 that equal to 0. Okay, now sum number 16 is as same as sum number 15. In sum number 15 there are parallel lines, but in sum number 16 there is perpendicular. That means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, and from that equation you can easily find out the value of m2. So now sum number 17. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the intersection of 2x plus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 with x axis and parallel to the line 3x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. So first let the point of intersection of the line 2x plus 5y minus 4 that is 0, and the x axis will be x comma 0. So that is the let point. Now substituting the value of y in the equation, you can easily find out the value of x. So 2x plus 5 into 0, then minus 4. So 2x equal to 2x plus 0 minus 4 equal to 0. So from that x equal to 4 by 2, then x equal to 2. So as x equal to 2, then the coordinates of the point of intersection will be 2 comma 0. Okay. Now the line 3x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. So from here you can find out the value of y. So here value of y equal to 3 by 7x plus 8 by 7. So that means here the slope m1 equal to 3 by 7. Okay. So as these two lines are parallel lines, that means if m1 equal to 3 by 7, then m2 equal to also 3 by 7. Okay, and here the point of intersection, that is 2 comma 0. So from with the help of this slope and this point of intersection, you can easily find out the equation. So y minus y1, then 3 by 7 x minus x1. So let's put down the value y minus 0, then 3 by 7 x minus 2. So finally you will get 3x minus 7y minus 6 equal to 0. Now sum number 18. The equation of a line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Find the slope of the line, that is the first part. The next part, the equation of a line are perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of the lines x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. So first we have to find out the slope of that line. Okay, so you can easily find out the slope of that line. So here from here you will get y equal to minus 3 by 4x then plus 7 by 4. That means slope of that line equal to minus 3 by 4. Now next thing, you have to find out the equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. The equation of the line perpendicular to the given line and passing through the intersection of these two lines. Okay, so first you have to find out the slope of the second line. So here if these two lines are perpendicular, that means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 equal to minus 1 by m1, that means this one, so that equal to 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is the slope of the given equation, of the required equation, not a given equation, of the required equation. Now next thing, you have to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. That means you have to solve these two equation with the help of simultaneous linear equation formula, and from that you can easily find out x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. So that means the point of intersection is 2 comma 4. You can apply any formula, that is elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method, to find out the value of x and y. So as slope equal to 4 by 3 and point of intersection equal to 2 by 4, then again same formula. It's a very easy problem. So y minus y1, y1 means 4, then 4 by 3 and x by minus 2. Okay, so from that 4x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. That is the equation. Okay, now sum number 20, that is the last problem in this video. In the next video I am going to solve the rest of problems. So please subscribe my channel and please like my video and share my video with your friends. Okay, so here problem number 20. In problem number 20, that the line passing through 0 0 2 3 is parallel to the line passing through 2 minus 2 6 4. Okay, that means the first line passing through these 2 points and the second line passing through these 2 points. So with the help of these 2 points, you can easily find out the slope of the first line and as well as the second line. So here the slope of the first line, the formula is, you know, y2 minus y1, that means 3 minus 0, then x2 minus x1, so 2 minus 0, that equal to 3 by 2. Now the next slope m2, again same formula, y2 minus y1, so that means 4 plus 2, then x2 minus x1, so from that it 3 by 2. Okay, so here m1 equal to 3 by 2 and m2 equal to 3 by 2. Now in the given question you have to prove that that these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now you know the condition. If two lines are parallel to each other, that means m1 equal to m2, that is the condition. And as here m1 equal to 3 by 2, m2 equal to 3 by 2, that means here m1 equal to m2. So we can easily write down from that condition the lines are parallel to each other and it's proved. Okay.